I'm Captain Starlight, and welcome to another Fun with Captain Starlight Unbox and Play. Today, we are building and playing with Lego. But before we begin, can you like and subscribe to our channel? Have you done it yet? Great work! Let's go! Lego! Today, we're building one of these cool mini sets from the 11021 90 Years of Play, a commemorative Lego classic set that celebrates 90 years of play. That includes 15 mini models of some of Lego's most iconic sets. And in this video, the mini model we're making is the 113 Motorised Train set from 1966. This was the year that Lego introduced trains. Toot toot! Okay, now we are on to the train. Do trains have wheels? What's on the bottom of a train? Genuine question, do trains have wheels? What's on a train? What is on a train? What is on a train? They go on a train track. Doesn't look like a train yet, but it will. Does that look like a train to you? No, I didn't think so. But we've got more to add. A choo-choo, chugga-chugga, not a big red car. It's a blue big train. That's what it is. Oh no, the wrong piece is stuck together. Yes, oh, it's starting to look like a train now. It kind of looks a little bit like Thomas. What did the train say when it had hay fever? A choo-choo! Feel free to use that one. We've added some wheels. Oh, whoa. Do you think this train needs a carriage? We'll click them on. I'm gonna take a wild guess and say that one goes on top like this. Oh, they match. Look at that, they're matching. We add the wheels. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we connect the carriage to the train. Ready? Oh, no, it connects automatically. Look how cool that is. Woo! So let's add this one to the top here. There we go. Choo-choo! Whoa! Look, you can do flips. What a tricky train. If you want to see more of these unbox and play videos, click the link down below. And remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time.